153 species of mammals and 404 species of birds.
Sa katunayan pa nga, nagkaroon ng expedition sa isang unexplored deep ocean basin south of the continent at dahil dito ay nakakita pa ng tatlong undiscovered species.
A black jellyfish, a transparent cave,
Intelligent bird that resembles this prey.
Motobarnus finisms, the world's smallest fish.
May makikita din dito sa Pilipinas.
Nakakatuwa sa Pilipinas has so much to be proud of their country.
And also, Philippines is included in the 10 countries.
The highest number of threatened species.
For example, mayroong 50 threatened species of mammals.
At 67 threatened species naman of birds.
Between 1990 and 2005, the Philippines
Lost a third of its forest cover.
Dagdag pa doon, ng current deforestation rate kada taon ay 2.2%.
Nasisira rin ang mga groundwater, rivers, lakes, and coastal areas.
And quality of half the country's all given water to life.
Dahil sa tumataas na level ng water pollution.
In addition, the annual economic cost of water pollution is estimated at $1.3 billion.
Kasama din doon ang health cost, losses in fisheries production, and impact on tourism.
May mga ibang scientists pa na nag-iisip na loss of cost ng Philippines.
Stop! Gusto ba natin yun?
The efforts of some are not enough.
Knowing the problem is one thing.
Doing something about it is another.
Dahil ang isang malaking responsibilidad katulad nito.
Ay inakailangan ng suporta ng isa pa.
Everything is possible. Everything is achievable.
We can stand up for nature.
I can stand up for nature.